We just studied the two sounds of C, but did you know that we have two sounds of G, too? And it follows the same rules. If G is followed by A, O, or U, it usually says its hard sound, which is G, G, G. And if it's followed by E or I, it usually says its soft sound that sounds like a J, 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 J. So G has two sounds, G, G, or J, J. And what letter comes after G usually tells us what the sound is. So let's practice that. G is followed by A, so we're going to practice it with our hard sound, the G, G. We see that A-E is a vowel team. That means E is silent. A says his name, A. Now we know all we need to know to sound out this word. Game. Say it fast. Game. Yeah, that's the word. Game. Good job. Here we see G is followed by O, so it's going to use its hard sound, G, G. Let's sound out our word. Ready? Golf. Say it fast. Golf. Golf. Yes, G followed by O says G, G. Good job. G followed by E says its soft sound that copies J. So in this word, our G says the J sound, J, J. Let's sound this out. Ready? Gem. Good job. Try it again. Gem. Say it fast. Gem. A gem is a stone like a ruby or a diamond. What if the E is following G, but it has a letter in front of it like this? It's still going to say its soft sound, or its J. Ready? Age. Age. You can even make the word bigger. Ready? Page. But it still says its J sound, right? Anytime we see our G in a blend with another consonant, it's going to say its hard sound. It's G. So in this blend, we have an R. Grr, grr. Grab. Say it fast. Grab. Right. G with a blend says its hard sound gr. Here's G in another blend, GL. It says its hard sound g. Let's sound it out. Glad. Say it fast. Glad. Glad. I'm glad that when we know G is in a blend, it always says its hard sound g, g. Good job practicing the two sounds of G.